Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's a good morning, okay? It really is. It's not just a greeting. I'm claiming a good morning for you. And I'm claiming a good morning for me. Great morning for you. Great morning for me. Welcome to another video. Today is Sunday, January 2nd, day 2 of 265. I'm sorry, 265. I said 365. Wow, I know how to count, girl. I'm sorry. Hello, my beautiful people, my beautiful delicates. Good morning. Great morning to you and great morning to me. I hope and pray that all is well with you and yours. This is a beautiful day. It's a little gray out, but we're still claiming a beautiful day, okay? This is a day that the Lord has made, so we will rejoice and be glad in it. If you are watching this video, you are very fortunate. Thank God that you are very fortunate to have the gift of life, because so many people didn't wake up to see today, okay? So we are blessed. Let's claim our blessings. I wanted to just come on here and say hello to you. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along today for what I do today. Today is Sunday, January 2nd, 2022. That's so crazy to say. Can't believe it's a whole new year, but it's gonna be a great year for us. I'm claiming it. I know that God will show up mightily in our lives. We're just gonna be preparing ourselves, okay, for all of the good things that God will do for us. So as you saw, I just woke up. I wanted to wake up a little earlier, but I went to bed a little bit later than I wanted to, but earlier than 12 o'clock. It might have been a couple minutes after 12, before 12, but it was still early. Good job. We're working on this. We're working on going to bed very early, to wake up early, to start our day right by spending the first waking moments with the Lord. It is so essential to spend your first waking moments with the Lord, because that's how your day is mapped out. I already had my devotion. I started in the book of Job. I'm reading the book of Job for this month, and I am on chapter 2. So if you wanted to join me in this, you can feel free to do so. I absolutely love Job's story. It's so, I don't want to use the word inspirational, but I can't find another word right now. It's a profound story to see a man, or to read about this man who was perfect and upright in his time, and for him to lose so much. And then a day came and this happened, and then another day came and this happened, but this man did not curse God. Let me show y'all something. Alright guys, so I hope you can hear me. Alright, so here is what I'm reading, right? I'm reading the book of Job, and it's a King James, right? This is chapter 1. And I was reading chapter 1 yesterday, when the new year came. I was reading the Bible and praying and stuff. And it says, there was a man in the land of Uz whose name was Job, and the man was perfect and upright, and one that feared God and eschewed evil. And then read, and there were born unto him 7 sons and 3 daughters. His substance also was 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, and 500 yoke of oxen, and 500 she asses, and a very great household, so that this man was the greatest of all the men of the east. And his sons went and feasted in their houses, and maybe I should zoom in so you guys can see. Sorry, I apologize. His sons went and feasted in their houses, every one his day, and sent and called for their 3 sisters to eat and drink with them. And this is the one, you see I highlighted it, and it was so, when the days of their feasting were gone about, that Job sent and sanctified them, and rose up early in the morning and offered burnt offerings according to the number of them all. For Job said, "It may be that my sons have sinned and cursed God in their hearts." Thus did Job continually. So, as I read that, it jumped out to me what I highlighted. It jumped out to me that the father, Job, went and sanctified and offered burnt offerings up to God for his children, all of them, his sons and his daughters, because he wasn't taking no chances. They might have sinned against God in their hearts because it said that they were feasting and they were having a grand old time. And sometimes when we're feasting and having a grand old time, we tend to get a little carried away. Even some of us believers, we have to be very cognizant of how we are operating, because we are followers of Christ, and our goal, well, some of us, I can't speak for everyone, but my goal is to live a pleasing life unto the Father. And we tend to get carried away. I have gotten carried away very recently. In the past year, I went out with some friends, and I'm very embarrassed. Let's just say that. Thank God for his grace and his mercy. I don't know what I will do without the grace of God. I don't know without the mercy of God, because I find that very, very, very profound. That's a father that really love his children, and he didn't take no chances. He feared God, he respected God, he honored God, he revered God, and he said, "I don't know if my kids sinned against God or cursed him in their hearts, so let me do this for my children so that God will have mercy upon them." I thought that was very profound, and it is a lesson for today for all the parents. Keep praying for your children. The word of God says to raise up your child, or train up your child in the way that they should go, so that when they get old, they will not depart. And we are living in a time where children these days, especially the young ones coming up, I'm talking like I'm really old, but I'm older than them. But these new ones, these millennial kids, they are playing a lot with the devil. And I like to say, people love to play with the devil until he shows up. Don't play with him. He is a defeated foe, but don't play with him. And children are playing with the devil. And parents, you gotta keep praying for your kids. Protect your kids. Just prayer knows no distance. It's no barrier. So even if your children are out there wilding out, you keep praying, and God will honor. He's true to his word, and he will hear and answer your prayers. He will protect your kids. I can't tell you how many prayers my mom sent up for me when I was a lot younger, and I was kind of sort of on my own, and I was living in New York City, and I was doing all the crazy things, partying, and I wasn't wilding out, but I wasn't living for the Lord. And I cannot tell you how many times God showed up and protected me from so many dangers that I saw, and some that I didn't even see. And here I am today giving him praise. Anyway, let me not bore you guys anymore with this. I have been meaning to bake a fruitcake. I was supposed to bake it since Christmas and for the New Year's, but I've been lazy. So today I'm going to bake the cake. Also, I'm going to make some sorrel, because I didn't put that down there. I'm going to be making some sorrel drink for us. I bought the packet, and I may or may not be cooking some cook-up, because we didn't make any for the New Year, which is crazy. Oh my gosh, this has been a crazy holiday season, but so I gotta cook today, and I gotta also dye mom's hair and cut it. So I will be bringing you guys along for that. And yeah, so let's get started. It is 9:44 in the morning. Wow. Let's not waste any more time, because you know what, time is waiting for no man. I also need to get my nails done. I'm gonna first pick up my pen. It's now 11:31. Alright guys, so I just finished shower and getting myself prepared. I am about to now go and bake this cake. I am going to be using my mixer. I am so excited to use this mixer. I got this mixer for Christmas for me. I wanted to get a KitchenAid, but it's very expensive, so hopefully one day I'll be able to get a KitchenAid. This mixer, first time it came, someone stole it because it was at my door, and when I came home it was gone. I was so upset, but I thank God I called Amazon, and the guy that I worked with, his name is Ivan. Thank God for Ivan. He was so kind to replace the new one, and I asked him if I can get it before Christmas, and he worked it out so it came before Christmas. It really took a toll on me because I don't like when people steal from me at all. There's nothing that no one has that I want. If there's anything in life that I want, I go to God for it. I don't want to covet anybody else's things. So when people steal from me, it really, really, really hurts me, and I feel very violated. So okay. Different. This is my first time using the mixer, right? And I don't know what's going on, but I want to show y'all something. The butter and the sugar, it's melted, it's nice and creamy and fluffy and stuff like that. But let me show y'all this. So in the, I don't know if you can see right there, there's water. I don't know. Look at all that. Like, look at all of that water in there. Oh man, look at all that water in there. I don't know what's going on right now, but I'm gonna keep going. Look at this. Like, everything is nice and melted. It's so soft. I'm literally following my own YouTube video. So, I'm following my video. We're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. We're gonna fast forward. Here's our lovely fruitcake mix. Boom. Tropical fruitcake mix. 3 counties. This is 2.5 pounds of cake mix, so I just need 1 jar. And this is product of Guyana, okay? Look right there. This came from Guyana, manufactured by Tropical Orchard Products Company Limited, Plantation Diamond, East Bank, Demerara, Guyana, South America. We have carambola, sugar, caramel, and Demerara rum in there. Product of Guyana. Woo woo! Ay ay ay! Alright, about the bowl turn up. You can smell. Wow, you can smell the rum. You can smell the alcohol, boy. Look at this. Yeah. Wow. Look at this. Wow. It's full of rum. Look at this. Oh my goodness. What's up, y'all? So I'm all done. My cake is done. I just took it out of the oven. Now it's 2:31. This place is so overcast. Let me show y'all real quick. This is what the place is looking like. I'm getting a little headache. Now I am about to go and dye mommy's hair. So we're gonna I will be transforming my mom. I'm gonna dye her hair and then give her like give her a trim. And I am also making some sorrel, so I just put the ginger in the processor, and I'm waiting for the water to boil, so I'm gonna put the sorrel. I'm gonna make the sorrel. Ginger right here. Here's the cake tying out. Sorrel mix. Alright, I'm gonna be using to make my. So now I'm gonna be dyeing mommy's hair. I'm using Cream of Nature C10.
Oh my God, yeah. Oh yes. It's a beautiful black gear.
Sorrel is looking good. Alright, so I'm gonna pour some more water in this. This is good. Hello, beautiful lady.
Hi.
Hi guys, so this is the end of the vlog. Hello, I got Polish in. Anything to say? You know you're going on video, right?
Oh no.
You see it's recording. You see the thing blinking there. Do you have anything to say?
Happy New Year, and I wish you all the best, all God's blessings for this new year. And that if you don't know the Lord, you'll receive Him as personal Savior and find that Jesus is the best that could ever happen to your life.
So thank you for watching my vlog. Today has been a pretty eventful day in the house. This lady don't like to do she hair, but then when she hair do, look, you see she feel like a brand new woman. I'm gonna close it out here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite part. What was your favorite part of the vlog? And I'm gonna see you in another video very, very soon. Take care of your wonderful and beautiful selves, and remember that Jesus is coming soon. So let us get our lives right.